butter chicken pizza rolls. Let's make some butter chicken pizza rolls. So first you're gonna need some soya plant-based wonton wrap. Wonton meda! I said wonton meda! I'm going to make 6 butter chicken pizza rolls. So we need 6 of them. Obviously, now you're gonna need some butter chicken. You can buy yours at the restaurant or you can make it homemade. There are plenty of recipes on the interweb. So what you wanna do is you wanna take the chicken pieces and you want to cut them up into tiny small pieces. You could also shred them if you want to, but I like a little bit of a chunkiness, you know. My butter chicken sauce is so thick, just like I like my butter sauce. The best part about using your hands, you get to lick your fingers. It is like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Butter looking good. Now you want to take up your cut up pieces of butter chicken and lay them in the center of the wonton wrappers. A little bit for you, a little bit for you too. We are going to be using low moisture mozzarella cheese because I want to make sure I get that cheese pool. I made pizza rolls last time and I used a different type of cheese and I didn't get a cheese pool. I was very upset. All I got was a puff of steam, just like what is in my brain. So let's shred some cheese. Shredding is good. Is it shredding or is it grating the cheese? I like shredding the cheese, but grating might be greater than shredding. I don't know. There's a little bit of confusion. Now let's take that cheese and top it off on the chicken. Oh, I think I just did the right amount. My measurements from the eyeballs are very good, but they're very big. Tissue! The best part about these wonton wraps is you only need a little bit of water. No egg washing, okay? So dip your finger in some water and go across the edges like so. And then you want to fold the corners inwards. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, and the 4th corner. Oh my goodness, we broke the 4th corner wall until you get something like this. Nice and enclosed. Look at that. I like butter chicken. I like butter chicken. If anybody doesn't like butter chicken, then something is wrong with you. So take a look at that. We have 6 little pizza rolls made of butter chicken. Now what you want to do is you want to spray a little bit of avocado oil or any type of oil on top so that it gets crispy in the air fryer. Take this and air fry them for 6 to 8 minutes at 375 degrees. Alright, so while they are air frying, I thought about making a buttered garlic cilantro coating for it, just like a garlic naan. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take some butter, I would say about 2 tablespoons. And what you want to do is you want to microwave that until it melts a little bit. Don't microwave it for too long, otherwise it's going to be starting to popping. It is almost melted. It was popping in the microwave and I didn't want to make a mess of the microwave covers. Then next you want to add some garlic paste. You can use regular garlic, but I like garlic paste because it's more flavorful. Plus, this is good for keeping the vampires away and your ex-wife. Even though both of them suck the blood out of you anyways. Oh, it is like a little poopy. Then you want to take some fresh cilantro. Finely chop your cilantro. Just the leaves only. Hey, you're still a big piece of cilantro. What is going on here? I don't have a sharp knife. I'm not allowed to have a sharp knife because I'm prone to cutting my fingers off. So I use a dull one because I'm dull. Take that cilantro and put it in your mixture here. Now if you don't like cilantro, you can use Italian seasoning or some oregano. And then take a whisk and whisk it until you get a nice mixture. This is more beautiful than life itself. Let's try it out. Oh my goodness. Butter and garlic are the best things. You put it on a pizza crust, you put that on some toast, you put it on bread. It's like garlic butter. Oh, delicious. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how crispy and crunchy is it. I got my tongs ready, so I'm going to take them out. Now take each butter chicken pizza roll and dip it in that butter sauce and coat it all around. Cilantro didn't get on the topping of it, so I'm going to take a spoon and just drip it and drizzle it on it so it gives you that green color. Presentation is the key, right? There we go. That is the green color I was looking for. It's like the Hulk, the pizza roll of hulkingness. Can I get a cheese pool out of this? It is very hot. Let's hope so. Cheese pool? How come I never get a cheese pool? I feel like I have bad luck with cheese pool. Anyways, who cared? Let's try it out because I know this is going to be delicioso. I have a biscuit without no gravy. That is a dish in my mouth. Oh my goodness. That is the best pizza roll ever made in the whole wide world. No one can beat butter chicken pizza rolls. My homemade butter chicken is probably by far the best. That is my opinion. If you don't like it, go make your own or buy it from the restaurant. But this thing has some good flavoring to it. And adding that butter garlic sauce with the cilantro to the top of it takes it up a couple of more notches. Sabash bata! Sabash! If you enjoyed me making this video, my channel is all about the butter chicken. I'm going to be making butter chicken with so many other things. Lasagna, pasta, samosas, you name it, I'm going to try to make it. And if you have a recommendation to make a butter chicken dish, please comment below and let me know what you would like for me to make. Alright? Ding ding ding. Thank you. Butter chicken again. Wow!